What is it like to live in Antioch, California? For starters, it's one of the most affordable cities in San Francisco East Bay. It's an excellent place to be if you want more value for your money. Welcome to 4076 Heaton Court, Antioch. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2,300 square footage single-family home, built in 2005, situated on a private cul-de-sac, is thoughtfully priced under $700,000. It's about 39 miles northeast of Oakland, Berkeley. It's a popular city for people that commute to the Bay Area, given that it's only a 45-minute drive without traffic. The city is surrounded by natural beauty and recreational opportunities. Situated along San Joaquin River, the city offers a unique boating and fishing culture, as well as water activities. This home makes a great investment property. There is no HOA. The estimated rent you can collect on this house is $3,600 to $3,800. Upon entering the home, you're greeted by a spacious family room, leading your way into the kitchen. There are plenty of cabinets and a gas cooktop next to an open concept living room and dining room. The backyard is a complete package. Enjoy the expensive pavers, hillside view, and low-maintenance concrete, and a beautiful patch of grass perfect for entertaining. Bonus features include sprinklers and water-conserving irrigation system. Versatile flooring throughout the house, including the second level where the bedrooms are located. Check out this bright and airy loft area. It's a multi-purpose room for flexible use. Put in a pool table. Make it a man cave. How about a movie theater or children's playroom? Or whatever you like. Primary bedroom features a walk-in closet, 3 expansive guest bedrooms, offer more than enough space for you and your family. Fall in love with what you see? Contact me for a private showing. This is Patty Ho, your Bay Area Realtor. I'll see you next time. Bye.